For over 1,000 years, the monuments of ancient Egypt stood silent. Their mysterious carvings were treated as magical symbols rather than a written language. The key to unlocking this lost world was buried under the desert sand. In 1799, French soldiers in the town of Rosetta discovered a massive slab of black granodiorite. It was carved with a royal decree from 196 BC. Written in 3 distinct scripts: hieroglyphic, Demotic, and Ancient Greek, this stone was the ultimate translation key. The Greek text could be read by scholars, which meant they finally had the exact translation of the mysterious hieroglyphs written right above it. But decoding it would take another 2 decades. In 1822, a brilliant French scholar named Jean-François Champollion cracked the code. He realized that hieroglyphs were not just pictures of things, but phonetic characters representing sounds, similar to letters in an alphabet. Once decoded, the documents of Egypt revealed a shocking truth. Beyond the grand stories of gods and pharaohs, Egypt's administration kept meticulous records of tax disputes, marriage contracts, and court cases of everyday people. The Elephantine Papyri, found on an island in the Nile, documented the daily lives of Jewish soldiers and their Egyptian neighbors living in harmony, trading land, and resolving legal disputes over 2,500 years ago. The Turin King List, a detailed papyrus, recorded the names of all the rulers of Egypt, showing that the kingdom was not static, but went through cycles of decay, civil wars, and administrative reforms just like modern nations. The true legacy of Egypt was not their pyramids of stone, but their mountains of documents. The Rosetta Stone proved that the thoughts of ancient humans could outlast the stone structures built to contain them.